There's Juliana. Going backwards.
You can do it, Juliana.
I'm pretty sure that's a dietary problem.
Get my feet. I'm kicking the floor. You gonna go to the side?
Well, I'm getting a...
What?
I'm trying to get her in it so you can see that you are actually moving backwards.
Oh, I'm sorry. Can you go to the side or whatever?
More carrots in your diet.
He's just teasing you. The doctor won't let me have milk. That's why. The doctor won't let me have dairy products.
Oh.
That's why I think.
That makes you swim backwards.
That is different, huh? Is that good enough?
Give me some